Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is what they are thinking and feeling about you. It's a pick a card reading. You need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. If you want to watch for multiple people, you can choose multiple piles. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, you choose yellow pile. What they are thinking and feeling about you. So pile number 1, they are thinking currently disappointed. Whatever be the current situation, in the current situation they are thinking, feeling disappointed. Whatever happened in that situation. Maybe they kept a lot of efforts to bring something stable or to offer something stable to you. It's a pentacle card. But the thing is, they need to put some more efforts. But here they are feeling disappointed and they don't want to put any kind of efforts. Whatever situation you are involved with them, whether it is a friendship or relationship or business partnership also. In the current situation, their thoughts are disappointed. They are feeling sad. It is not that they don't want to work on it, but the thing is, feeling not motivated. This person needs some more motivation to move forward. This person actually putting a lot of efforts, doing hard work to reach the 10 of Pentacles, but he is unable to reach because in between this person continuously feeling demotivated. Maybe he is unable to see the result. Whatever expecting this person, whatever they are expecting, they are unable to see the result. So because of that, they are feeling demotivated. They taking rest, I can say. It is not that they are giving up. They are just taking pause. They don't want to keep any kind of efforts as of now. They are not in a mood to do some more hard work in the current situation, current time. This person needs a little bit more motivation to move forward, to get that 8 of Pentacles, 9 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. So first this person need to work some more. If at all this person works some more, they will reach 8 of Pentacles where they can start to see the result. Not completely, at least little bit. After that, when they reach 9 of Pentacles, they feel satisfied within themselves. Here this person is not even satisfied with their work, with the situation, with their mindset, completely with their life, I can say. Because still they are in 7 of Pentacles. So they need some more motivation. They need to put some more efforts to reach that 8 to 9, 9 to 10. 3 more Pentacles they need to get. Then only they can feel that completeness. Whatever complete stable relationship or whatever stability they are looking in this connection, to reach that stability, to get that stability, they need to work some more. They need to put some more efforts, I can say. In this situation, I think you cannot do anything because it is totally dependent on this person. This person need to do the things. So as of now, pile number 1, they are not doing much about the situation. I think about their life also they are not doing much. They are just simply taking pause from their life, from their work. Whatever is happening in their life, they are taking pause. They are on rest. They are not in the mode of action. They need some more time to come out of this pause. They can take action also to get that 8, 9, 10. But the thing is, this person need little bit more motivation, I can say. They need some more motivation. That is lack of motivation. Because of that lack of motivation, they are unable to move forward. So if in this situation, if at all you can do something, means motivate them. More than that, I don't think you can do something. Except motivating them, you cannot do anything because it is totally in their hands, not in your hands. It is their situation. You may be involved in it, but as of now, they need to put that efforts. Maybe when they reach the 9 of Pentacles, then you can add that one more pentacle, because 9 of Pentacles means feeling complete within themselves. Then you can add one more pentacle, that will come to 10 of Pentacles. So as of now, I can say that pile number 1, whoever chooses it, give some motivation to that person. Whoever they are, they need some more motivation to move forward. They are feeling hopeless, disappointed, not hopeless, disappointed. Maybe they are putting a lot of hard work, but they are unable to see the results. So because of that, they are feeling sad. They are unable to see that. They are eagerly waiting for that 10 of Pentacles, at least 9 of Pentacles. But the thing is, they need to work some more. They need to put some more efforts. So for you, my suggestion is, if possible, motivate them. Give some motivation to them. They can move forward to reach that 2 more pentacles. Then you can add one more from your side. If at all you cannot do anything, then what I can suggest is just concentrate on yourself. But here I think in this situation you can motivate them. They need it. This person needs that motivation, that inspiration to move forward. And I think you can do that. So give some motivation to them. They will move forward. So let's move on to pile number 2, which was red pile. What they are thinking and feeling about you. So pile number 2, which is red pile. In the past, this person maybe had so many options in their life. They had so many options, tempting options. But the thing is, as of now, they give up all those options, or they don't want to look at that options. They are no more interested in those options, whatever options they may be having. Currently, they are not interested in any kind of offers or options or opportunities, whatever around them. I think they are seriously thinking about you. In the past, maybe they are not serious about you or about this connection, about this relationship, whatever relationship it may be. Currently, they are, maybe, don't know what happened. Earlier, maybe they treated you like one of the option. Whatever options they had, they maybe treated you, you are also one of the option for them in that options. But currently, they are not interested in any kind of options. They are serious. They want to get serious about this, whatever situation it is. They don't want to concentrate on those options. They just want to concentrate on one thing. That's you, I can say, in this situation. They are no more showing any kind of interest on those options. Still, they may be available. Still, those options are open for them, but still, they don't want to look at them. They just want to follow their heart, I can say. Maybe in the past, they are not following their heart. They may be tempted by other options, are tempted by some materialistic things, I can say that they may be listening to their logical mind more than emotional. Emotions are more than intuition. They gave importance to logical mind maybe in the past, but now they want to give importance to their intuition. They want to listen to their heart, I can say. They want to listen to their heart and they want to do what their heart truly desires. So maybe because of that they drop all these options. They don't want to look at these options because they came to know that you are not an option, you are the person whom they want. So they rejected all those options or they simply gave up on those options. Currently they want to, whatever they do in this situation, they want to use their heart more than their logical brain. And moreover, if they have so many options around them, they don't want to think about it. They are not even giving time to that options. They are not even looking at them. They are simply thinking about you and they want to take some serious decision, I can say. They want to become serious about this relationship or situation. They want to make it serious. If at all in the past, they may be like it is not player energy, but they simply had so many options and they may be confused, don't know what they need to choose. But finally, maybe they got some epiphanies or some situations which made them to think which made them to follow their heart more than their mind, more than their brain. That's why finally they are listening to their heart. And here their willpower also helping them. Their willpower also helped them, their wisdom also helped them, their maturity level also helped them to drop all these options and select you or become serious about that situation. So point number 2, whatever relationship, friendship or situationship you may be, this person want to become serious about it. This person want to bring some seriousness, I can say. Whether they are ready to make it stable long term, that's a different thing. But as of now, currently their thoughts are taking it seriously. They are taking this situation, friendship, relationship, whatever it may be, they are taking this seriously. Not like in the past. In the past, it may be one of the choice. Now they are seriously thinking about it. So let's move on to pile number 3, who chose green pile. What they are thinking and feeling about you. So pile number 3, this person is currently not in a good energy, I can say. They are not thinking before doing something, or they are not grounded. They are not feeling grounded. First thing, they are not focused. They are feeling lost or lazy. They are not, that's what. They are not grounded means they are not feeling stable. So they are feeling lost. No matter what connection or situation you may be with this person, as of now, this person, whatever they are doing impulsively or without even thinking, without even planning. without having knowledge about the consequences. If they are doing something, they want to do something, they don't even thinking about the consequences, what kind of consequences they are going to face because of their actions. But the thing is, here this person is not in that position, I can say. They are not even in that energy to think that what will happen if they do something. They are feeling lost. First thing is, they don't even even mentally also this person feeling unstable. They have a lot of thoughts which are not useful or negative, I cannot say, but which is not useful. Overthinking, feeling lost, not feeling responsible. Maybe they are under some energies which are not good for them, which are dark energies. When people are surrounded by dark energies, they feel their lower chakras are, this person lower chakras are blocked completely, I can say. It is not even unbalanced, maybe their lower chakras are fully blocked. The root chakra, sacral chakra and solar plexus. When these three chakras are blocked, then individual can feel such kind of feelings like wandering, lost, unstable, irresponsible, overthinking. There are so many things. So their current thoughts, I cannot say these thoughts are about you, or maybe these thoughts are about this situation, especially about this situation, I can say. Whatever situation they are in, you may be also involved in this. So in this situation, regarding this situation, whatever happened, if it all happened something in between you, because of that, they are not in a right energy. First thing, if at all you know this person personally and you can help them, ask them to work on their lower chakras. It is very important for them. For them, currently their upper chakras may be very active, but their lower chakras are blocked. So it is very important them to work on their lower chakras. Whether it is regarding to the situation or it is about their life. I don't think in their life they are doing good, because just only one situation they cannot do wrong. Just when the lower chakras are blocked, or means all the areas of their life get affected. They feel same thing in their life, I can say, not just one area of the life. So here I don't think you are the reason for this, because it is happening for in their life, all the areas of life. So if at all you are thinking that if anything happened, if you're thinking that you are the reason because of it is happening, don't blame yourself. Okay, first thing, because this person maybe need to work on their chakras. So first, don't blame yourself. This person needs some kind of awakening or some kind of inner work. So it is nothing to do with you. Point number 3, whatever they are doing, whatever is happening in this situation, it is nothing to do with you. It is absolutely with this individual. Because of this individual, they need to work on themselves. Maybe it is very high time. That is the reason that all chakras are blocked, lower chakras especially. So if at all you are in a position to help them, if they are your friend or family member or spouse or anyway, if at all you can contact them and you can help them, ask them to work on their lower chakras. It is very important for them. Then they can feel balanced. If their chakras are balanced, then they can do something in their life, because now, as of now, they are with so much dark energy. So don't give much time here. See, don't give your time to them. How can I say? See, help them means just ask them to work on their chakras. Okay, you don't involve to help them, because when the person, when one individual is on dark energies, until unless you are a healer and you can having that ability to handle them, you should not enter into their energy, because they will bring you in that energy, in the dark energy. So it will affect you also. So that's why I'm telling, if you are living far from them, if you are at home, living in the same house also, just be in good energy. You just don't let your energy get affected just because of this person, okay? Because they are not in a good energy, first thing. So you can help them, but from the far. I think you got that point. If you want to help them from far, you can help them. Don't get into their energy, because it is very difficult to come out. This person is totally with dark energies. So let's move on to pile number 4, who chose white pile. So what they are thinking and feeling about you. So pile number 4, what they are thinking is, their thoughts are very positive about you. They are seeing you in a very good light. They have very good thoughts, feelings about you. Very positive thoughts and positive feelings. They are feeling that you are a very stable, independent person, very passionate person, and very empathetic, animal lover, beautiful, charming, innocent, courageous, as well as and very loving, caring, like sunshine. They feel you are their sunshine, or you are inspiring them to do something in their life. By watching you, or if at all you are involved in their life, you are inspiring them to do something in their life, or live life in a bright way. You are like their sunshine. They feel very happy when they see you, when they think about you also, because they are seeing you in a very good light, very positive, very good light. I think they don't have any kind of negative thoughts about you. They are, for them, you are like a very perfect person for them. You may be having some, no one is perfect. There is some imperfections will be there in each and every person. But the thing is here, for them you are a very perfect person. They are not finding any kind of imperfection in you. They like you the way you are, I can say. The leadership, maybe you are in any kind of leadership position. Queen of Wands means passionate queen, very enthusiastic, are very passionate, firing. So they are feeling very motivated, inspired by you, by the way you are leading your life, by the way you are living your life, by the way you are doing your things in your life, or handling everything in your life. They love your nature, I can say here, not just your beauty, they even love your nature. The independent, stable, passion, strong. empathetic, generous. You may be very helpful to others. So everything, there is nothing in that this person don't like in you. This person seeing, that's what, they are just simply watching you in a very, very, very good light. You may be having a very kind heart also. That's right. You are just perfect. That's it. Even if you are an animal lover, they love that. The love you show towards animals. The innocent face, at the same time, are very courageous. They admire about you. Maybe when they see you, they will become like a sunflower. You will be like sun. That's what, sunshine. No matter how sad, how bad they may be, when they see you, they feel bright. Like this sunflower. So pile number 4. I think they may be having some passionate thoughts about you also here. They fully fall for you, I can say. If at all they are friend, even if you have interested in them, even if you are a spouse also, they may be telling to you or not, they may be expressing their feelings to you or not, but the thing is, they are very much into you. I don't think this person can see someone because this card simply telling that if they have other options also, they are not ready to concentrate on other options. They are fully into you. Let's move on to pile number 5. Who chose blue pile? What they are thinking and feeling about you. Here pile number 4. If you want to, I don't know why, I want to suggest some song. Ariana Grande's Into You. You just listen that song. Maybe there is a message from this person. So pile number 5. This person is currently, whatever situation you may be, they are feeling like a fool. Fool means in a good way. They just don't want to think about anything. They want to take the step. They want to be adventurous. They want to take that risk with you. They don't know where it will go, where they will reach, what will happen. If they want to propose you, there's a flower in their hand. If they want to propose you also, they don't know whether you are going to accept it or not. If at all you are looking for this, you are watching, means maybe you are also interested, but this person whether know it or not, but they are not caring about anything. They just want to, if at all the situation involved, like they want to propose you and you are going to reject, still they want to propose you. That is right. This is fool, means they want to do it anyway. Whether it will work out or not, that's a different story. They want to take that step. They want to take that risk. They don't want to wait anymore. Maybe in the past, they are thinking about so many things instead of taking action. Or they may be having different difficulties. But as of now, currently, they are not caring about anything. Still, the difficulties will be there. Don't know. But here, fool means forgetting about everything. not caring about anyone. They just want to do what their heart is telling. It is not even heart, I can say. The fool means just doing whatever they are getting in the mind. So here I cannot say heart by heart, leading there by heart also. But the taking risk, that's it. Not thinking about anything, not calculating. Moreover, they don't know where they will reach, what will happen, but still they want to do it. That adventurous nature. So as of now, their current energy is very adventurous, I can say. About this situation, if at all in the past they are not that risk taker or they are not adventurous, maybe I think they already lost you, because when as a human being, not just this person, when we have something in our hand, we don't care much. It is human psychology. When we lost that, we are ready to do anything for that. Here I am sensing that energy. Maybe this person lost you, or they lost something in this situation. Maybe you may be not sharing that great bond currently. In the past it may be very strong, but now it may be not that strong, or maybe you are not giving any importance to them or importance to that situation, that friendship. So they finally decided to take that risk, do something adventurous to restore that. Or if at all you are no more in their life, but still you want to know what they are doing, what they are thinking about the situation, they want to start this again. If you were in the relationship in the past and it is ended because of any reasons, this person want to start it again. They want to have some new beginnings in this situation, in this relationship. They don't want to think about whether it will going to have that new beginnings or not, whether it is going to work out this time or not. They don't want to think about anything. They just want to take that step. They just want to begin something new, start something new with you or in this situation. No matter where it will lead, it's a very good card. The Fool is a very good energy. Sometimes, okay, we as a human beings, it's natural. We will think, we will strategize things, we will plan, we will do a lot of calculations before taking any decision. Then we will take that decision based on our calculations, risks. But sometimes in our life, they will come. That's what I said. Maybe they missed it. Maybe they missed you. You are no more in their life, I can say. Or the situation is ended with them. You maybe ended the situation, relationship. That's why this person taking that risk. Because I don't think now they have any other choice, because they don't have any choice. Here I am not sensing. If they have any choice, they don't want to take this risk. But maybe they don't have any other choice rather than doing this, taking this step. So they want to take this risk with you. Whether you will accept it or not, it's a different story. If you accept also, whether the relationship will move forward in a good way or not, it is also a different story. But as of now, this person want to start something. They want to start this relationship, situationship, whatever ended. So their current energy is like Fool. They are ready to take the risk. They are ready for that unknown journey. They are ready for that adventure. As of now, their current energy. I think they want to propose you. Because when I am seeing this flower in his hand, I am getting like they are proposing you. Maybe you are going to receive some kind of proposal from them. Whether you accept it or not, they are going to propose it. That's what I said. They are not thinking about the result. They are not in a position or energy to think what will happen, whether you are going to accept it or not. They are going to reject it or accept it. They just want to do what they want to do. That's it. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.